iPhone 4 power button and proximity sensor repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is a very difficult repair, and it will take about 50 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 5-point pentalobe screwdriver. If your iPhone 4 has pentalobe bottom screws, 00 Phillips screwdriver, spudger, metal pry tool, tweezers, flathead screwdriver, SIM eject tool, precision knife. Optional, we recommend using Magmat for all your repair needs. To see Magmat in action, see our Magmat video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the two bottom screws next to the dock connector. Push the rear panel toward the top of the iPhone and remove the rear panel. Remove the Phillips screw, securing the battery to the motherboard. Disconnect the battery and make sure not to lose a small contact. Insert metal pry tool on the right side of the battery and remove the battery. Remove the following two screws and remove the dock connector flex cover. Remove the following two Phillips screws securing the vibrator to the frame. And remove the vibrator. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws securing the Wi-Fi antenna to the motherboard and remove the antenna. Use spudger to disconnect front camera, power button, audio jack, LCD and digitizer cables. At last, unplug and remove the camera. Disconnect the dock connector flex cable. Disconnect the signal antenna. Remove the water indicator and the following 2 Phillips and 1 flathead screws securing motherboard in place. Remove the SIM tray. Carefully remove the motherboard from the iPhone. Remove the following Phillips screw holding loudspeaker housing in place and remove the loudspeaker housing. Remove the four-corner Phillips screws. Remove 6 Phillips screws, 3 along each side of the iPhone. Insert metal pry tool between the steel inner frame and the plastic frame of the glass. Carefully start prying around the front display assembly. Remove the display assembly. Be careful not to tear the LCD and digitizer flex cables. Remove the 2 Phillips screws securing the power button to the frame. Peel off the proximity flex cable assembly. Peel off power button bracket, ear speaker and little spacer from the proximity flex cable assembly. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order. Note: if your new proximity sensor does not have film with a rubber border on the sensor, make sure you remove it from the old proximity sensor. Without that, proximity sensor will not work. If you are experiencing problems with your proximity sensor, see our proximity fix video. When reinstalling front glass assembly, make sure digitizer and LCD flex cables are completely pulled through the hole in the frame. If it gets stuck, do not pull the flex cable since it is very fragile and it will probably tear. When front assembly is completely in, digitizer and flex cables should be aligned.